Chris, did you just hit something with your axe?
Wait a sec. Does Chris have a mask?
Yeah.
Is that Chris right there with the purple backpack?
No, that's Josh.
Okay.
Purple backpack and cowboy hat.
And mask. Okay. And Chris is the orange backpack.
Okay. What the fuck was I just doing? Alright, so I got this. Split this ammo. Load it in here. Okay, and then I'll just give you this ammo back. There you go. And where's that extra mag that's empty? There you go. You take the mag?
No, I don't need it.
Well, here, just take it so you have an extra mag.
I have extra. I don't need it, dude.
Oh, I thought you said you only had what you had in your rifle.
No, I got another 10-round mag, but I have two 30-round mags on my rifle.
Oh. Oh. Gotcha. Okay. Never mind then.
Yeah.
Pull all that shit back in my...
You remember how to make an IV?
Yeah, you gotta combine it with one of those IV kits.
I've got an IV starter kit if you need it.
Oh, okay, that's why I don't have it. No, I don't need it right now. Yeah. Does someone want this pistol?
Pistol, huh?
I guess give it to someone that doesn't have something already.
Give it to Chris since I still have the blank one.
Shit, it's
At
my
least-
ammo back?
My mic was
Is
up.
my ammo box still on the ground over here?
Did you raise your hand, Chris? Nice.
Wait, where the fuck is my ammo
Yeah,
box?
Lagging
put
out
it-
over here.
The ammo box is in me. I got the ammo box.
No, but I had one too.
Oh,
Did you
just
pick
wait
up
for
mine
it.
by mistake?
No. I only have one.
Well, shit.
I told you probably left it. 'Cause I don't remember seeing you pick it back up.
Oh, cock.
Alright, here you go, Chris. Here's your gun.
You guys are all crouched on the ground for me, so I think I'm
Yeah.
lagging out or something.
No, I'm crouched. Your gun is gonna be over here, where I'm crouched.
Fuck. Alright,
No,
well.
nobody's moving. Josh, have you moved since we were...
I'm mowing the grass right now, so yeah.
Yeah, you're moving around, Chris.
It's weird.
You got your hands up. Get your hands down.
You see me rolling?
Yeah.
I see you rolling.
Do you?
Just standing still. Hold on.
I'm standing still right now. I'm just crouched.
You see me sprinting off into the distance?
Josh,
Oh yeah, you
lay still for a
you're,
second.
You're not synced in right now. Is your name Chris on this? Yeah. You have the red chain.
What is
on you?
this?
Oh,
What is
that's
this
why.
nonsense?
Alright, I'm gonna hold on to the gun until you're back in, Chris.
I think I'm good now. I see
Okay,
Josh
there's
being
a zombie over here.
There's a zombie coming.
Ah,
Why would you do this?
oh that bitch. She hit.
Dude, we can take a prisoner.
Yeah, did you handcuff him?
Yeah.
Can you put the burlap sack on my head?
Oh,
I
jeez.
think you could in the old game.
No way. Let me try that. Burlap sack. Equip.
Alright, Chris, you said you were good
Oh
now?
god, everything's black.
Put this gun down.
I don't see anything though on your head.
Well, I don't see anything anywhere. I'm just restrained and blinded.
This is crazy. Alright, let me
You have keys?
Oh shit.
Yeah, you're a dumbass. Now he's handcuffed.
Oh fuck.
I'm kidding, I have keys. Oh, dude, when you're handcuffed, I can take all your shit. Like, I'm looking at all your inventory right now.
Yeah, check out my hat I got.
Dicks.
Alright, how the fuck do I unhandcuff you? Alright, come here, Josh, stop moving. I'm trying to unlock you. Stop walking. Oh, now I see the sack on your head. That's hilarious.
Masks.
Your mask is sticking out of the sack.
That's awesome. It actually looks really cool if you weren't blindfolded.
Yeah.
Just like, you look like the scarecrow with like a gay mask on.